I've been putting off buying clothes for a long time. I have a lot of stuff. You guys have seen my videos in my closet. I have a lot of clothes, but over the summer when we're wearing all the maxi dresses and skirts and all the things, I gained some muscle in my legs and my bum, and I lost some weight around my middle. So what's happening is none of my pants fit, gym clothes included. So I don't have any money. But I need clothes that fit, so such is life. So today I am thrifting and I'm gonna see what I can get on a budget. The first stop, I'm outside of a store called My Closet Consignment. So it's a consignment boutique. They carry more high-end brands on consignment. So what I'm looking for is at least one pair of Lululemon pants for the gym. That's one thing that I feel like really is worth the money, but if I can find some at a discounted price, that would be great. This store is really great because they don't take anything that's not like perfect. So I'm gonna go in there first, see what I can find, and then I'm gonna go to the thrift store by my house that carries like actual like thrift items for like $2, $3, stuff like that. So off I go into My Closet boutique and see what I can get. Well, that was a bust. Yeah, they didn't have any pants really for me at all. They did have like some crops and some shorts, but I have those. I was looking for some longer pants. So they had lots of cute things in there, but not what I was in there for, and I didn't want to go in and spend like $30 on one item because I'm on a budget. So off we go to the thrift store, hoping I have better luck at the next place, and I may have to check the Lulu like we made too much section on their website. Off we go to the next spot. Okay, I've arrived at the next place. So this one is a true thrift store. It's called Bibles for Missions. It's like 3 minutes from where I live. I drive by this place all the time. I've only ever been inside like one time, but I'm always drawn to it because they change the displays in the windows like weekly. I find that so impressive for like a thrift store. So I'm looking for bottoms in particular. Failing that, long tops and dresses that I can wear with leggings for now, and maybe some basics. I could use another jacket other than this one. This one gives me like a little bit of a rash right here because it's wool. Whoops. So yeah, I'm looking for some basics and we'll see how we do in here. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Whew, had to take my coat off. See how my coat gives me a rash? That's fun. Yeah, so I got two things. I spent $12. Neither of those things are pants. But I did get a little sweater and like a little dress that I can wear with leggings to work. So I'm gonna make one more stop. I wasn't planning on it, but I really want to give it the old college try to try and find some pants. So there's a Salvation Army not too far from here, so I'm gonna zip in there real quick, see what I can find. The biggest issue for me is that I'm tall. So I'm like 5'8". Most of what you find in the thrift stores are, there was like a lot of petites and also like a lot of big sizes and a lot of teeny weeny sizes and nothing for my sort of average size, I guess. So we're gonna make one more stop, see what we can find. Didn't find any workout gear. So far, not a super successful thrift shopping day. So off I go to the Salvation Army. Hopefully I'm gonna have better luck there. Here we are. Hopefully this is gonna be the winning location. What was that? Well, that last stop was worth the stop. I'm glad I went. I got a whole pile of stuff. I spent like $60 and I got like several pairs of pants and quite a few dresses for work. So I'm gonna go home and try them on and show you guys what all I got and how I'm gonna style it. Here's Charlie, happy that I'm home. Hi boy. When you said I was gone so long, took forever, yeah. Okay, so from the first store, I got this little sort of dress. It's from Dynamite. It was $6. So I just paired it with a pair of black leggings and short booties, and I think it's really cute. I think it fits really good. I just pulled my hair back so I wouldn't be hair everywhere. So this was the first outfit. So I think this is really cute for work. I think I can get away with that. And it's short sleeve, but it's a rather warm material. So I think it's still gonna be good for this time of year. And leopard's really in right now. Okay, so the last thing from the first store is this sort of blue sweater. So it's just a short sleeve sweater. It's from Reitman's. I got it for $6 and it's navy blue. I don't have anything underneath of it just because I'm just trying it on. And then these pants I got at the Salvation Army. They're Nygaard and I paid $8 for them. I think they fit pretty good. They're really comfortable. They're the really soft sort of denim, and I just paired them with a pair of burgundy pumps. So I think this is a cute outfit. I could wear this to work. I could wear it out and about. And that's outfit number 2. Okay, this next outfit is a dress that I got for $8. It is a Jessica dress, so it would have been from Sears. And I just paired it with black leggings and the same little short booties as before. It's sort of a wool dress, so again, it's short sleeve, but it's still warm. So great little outfit for work. Okay, and then I got this black dress. There's no tag on it, so I have no idea what brand it is, but it has pockets, and everybody loves pockets in a dress. I also got these leggings, which they have a little bit of a pattern to them, so I like them with the plain black dress, and I paired it with these boots that I already own. Another great little work outfit, very comfortable. I like this length of sleeve. Works really well in the salon where my sleeves aren't in the way. And then I got this little leopard print dress. I like that it's sort of snugger at the bottom. It's got the pleating here and it's got a defined waist. I find that to be very flattering. It's got the sleeve length that I like. I just put it with black leggings and my little boots with the little tassels on them. And I think the dress was $8 and it is a eclipse dress. Another great workout. Okay, and the rest are all just pants. So I already owned this top, this blousey top, but I got these pants. I forgot to put shoes on. It doesn't matter. They sort of lace up right here. They're Susie sheer pants, and I got them for $6. They fit really good. They're comfortable, and they're long enough that I could wear a little bit of a heel, and they're not going to look too crazy. So that's always the hardest thing for me is to find, unless I buy like all skinny pants, sometimes the length is an issue. So these were a good little find. Okay, the next item was these leggings. They are from Faded Glory. I got them for $4.99. They're like a jegging. I actually don't own any jeggings. All of my leggings are either like black or gray or like burgundy. So I thought this would be a nice little addition, great with this kind of gray drapey top that I already owned. And I just threw on some nude flats. So this would be a good sort of running around or like weekend outfit. So I have one more pair of pants and then I'm done, I swear. All right, so this is the last pair of pants. I already own this t-shirt and same nude shoes, but these are the other, this is like the real pair of jeans that I bought. So these are actually from Reitman's, and I love that they don't have any buttons or anything. They just pull on. They're really stretchy and soft, and because they're used, they're already like pre-broken in, which I love. And they're skinny, but they're not like ultra skinny, so you could tuck them into boots, but they still look cute with like a pair of flats. And I think they were $6. So all in all, I think I did pretty darn good. I did better than I was expecting to look. Oh my god, I'm such a mess. I did better than I was expecting to. I'm sweaty now from all the trying on of things. But I got several pairs of pants. I got some nice little dresses for work, all very comfortable, all very warm, because I've been really uncomfortable in my clothes lately. It's just, it has not been working for me. I've been wearing stuff that really doesn't fit. And, you know, such is life. So I spent $55 or $56 at the Salvation Army, and I spent like $12 at the Bibles for Missions thrift store. So I did pretty darn good. I get a big old haul of stuff. I'm gonna get rid of a few things in my closet now that I've got some things to replace them. I still have the jeans on. I'm gonna keep those on. They're very comfortable. yeah, so all in all, good little stop at the thrift stores today. I would have liked to have gotten some workout pants, but the only ones that I could find were like sort of the wide leg or like boot cut type leggings, and they don't work for me because I'm tall. So as soon as I put my sneakers on, they're like an inch too short and it looks ridiculous. So still on a mission for a good pair of workout pants, but in the meantime, I've got my work clothes looked after and a couple of pairs of sort of casual stuff. So this is a different kind of video for me. I didn't know if I was going to even do this as a video. This is just what I was doing today. And I've watched a few videos lately on YouTube of people like going around to thrift stores or going to, you know, Walmart, different places where you can buy inexpensive things, because I really think you can look cute on a budget. You don't need to go and spend $100 on one pair of pants. I think that's crazy. What I normally do is I go to like Urban Planet where it's really inexpensive and I buy $100 worth of stuff. I wear it for a year. It gets holes in it. I end up throwing it away, or I continue to wear it even though it has holes in it or it hasn't worn well. So if you enjoyed this, let me know. This is something I could certainly do again. I'm trying not to buy a ridiculous amount of clothes anymore. As you guys know, I have a lot. You guys have seen my closet. If you haven't seen my closet tour, I will link that in the description box below. But I do have a lot of stuff in here. However, it's like my summer, you know, summer, fall, winter, spring, like all my clothes live in this closet. I don't like put stuff away for the seasons or anything like that. Anyway, so if you like this, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!